Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your iPhone as a webcam with OBS Studio. So even if you don't have a high quality webcam, you can use your iPhone and can make high quality streaming videos in OBS Studio. So let's begin the video. For this you're going to need the following things. First of all, your iPhone, which you are going to use as a webcam. Secondly, some kind of stand which is going to hold your iPhone. The third thing is a lightning cable to connect your iPhone with your Windows machine. And lastly, your Windows machine. I'm using a laptop. The process is same for desktop PCs, and you need to make sure that you have an active internet connection both on your iPhone and on your Windows machine. So let me show you how you can set it up. First of all, on your iPhone, you're going to open the App Store and you're going to search for this application, Camo Webcam for Mac and PC, and you're going to download this free application. So this application is going to allow you to use your iPhone as a webcam with your Windows or Mac. Once Camo has been installed, we're going to open the app. For the first time, it's going to show you the welcome screen. It's going to need permission for your camera, microphone, and your local network. So we're going to allow permission for all of these three things, and after that we're going to click on get started, and you're going to have this screen because now we need to install Camo on our Windows machine as well, and then we can use it as a webcam. So for now we're going to close the app and we're going to move towards our Windows machine. On your Windows machine, you're going to open any browser and you're going to go to the website reincubate.com/camo. I will put the website link in the video description. So from here you're going to click on download for Windows, and if you're on a Mac, you're going to click on download for Mac. So on the setup, you're just simply going to double click on it. Here it's going to show you the installation wizard. Agree to the terms and conditions and click on install. Once it has been installed, you're going to have this wizard, launch Camo Studio, click on finish, and it's going to launch Camo Studio for the very first time. And after that we can connect our iPhone with our Windows machine. Here is the welcome screen. Click on continue. If you want to take the tour, you can do so. I'm going to click on skip for now. Click on continue again, skip, and Camo Studio has been opened up. So by default it's going to select your webcam if you have any. So now on the iPhone, I'm going to open the Camo Studio app, and now I'm going to connect my iPhone to my Windows machine using the lightning cable. And once your iPhone is connected, you're going to go on to the left side of Camo menu. Here it's going to show you the device section. Click on it and it should detect your iPhone. In my case, it's iPhone 14 Pro. And now if I select it, you can see that it has automatically switched to my iPhone and it is giving a really good quality. So that's a good use of using your iPhone as a webcam. So let me just set up the position of the iPhone, and here you can see I am using my iPhone as a webcam. So you have these different options, like you can select the resolution 720p, 1080p, and so on. So if you go with the higher resolution, then you need to buy the Pro version, but you can change the FPS from 30 to 60 FPS if you want to have a smoother video. You have these audio devices, and if you want to remove this camo marking, you're simply going to go to the scenes and watermark section, click on this icon, and it will remove the watermark. Again, you have these different coloring options as well, which you can play in real time, as you can see. So now once you have connected your iPhone and opened up Camo, now you can use it as a webcam in OBS Studio. The main thing, you need to make sure that you do not close the Camo Studio app on your iPhone as well on the Windows machine. So I'm going to minimize Camo Studio in the Windows machine. I'm going to open OBS Studio. Whichever setting you have set it on OBS Studio, the main thing is that you're going to go in the sources section, click on the add button. You're going to select video capture device. You can name it anything. I'm going to name it iPhone webcam just for cleanness. Click on OK, and by default it's going to select your webcam. You're going to click on this menu and you should have the option Camo. You're going to select this option and you can see it is now using your iPhone as a webcam in OBS Studio. You have these different settings like configuring video, etc., which I am not going to go in detail. I'm going to click on OK. You can drag and drop wherever you want. You can minimize the frame as well if you want to. It's a little bit buggy because I'm recording the session right now, but anyways, you can see here I have my screen and here I am using my iPhone as a webcam in OBS Studio. So yeah guys, in this way you can use your iPhone as a webcam in OBS Studio. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.